SIA School of Business Study, Youth on the Move is a registered NGO which was started in 2017 by our Rohit sir. It has a major aim for the society life and it has done various campaigns like road safety awareness, feed younger, tree plantation, and so many for the society. सभी समस्याओं का हल शिक्षा देगा बेटर कल. We, the Youth on the Move NGO, is starting an innovative campaign named as EduHealth to fill the gap which is there in the education society.
As we all know, today's youth wants to be independent and lessen their parents' financial burden on their education. There are many educational schemes provided by government and non-government organizations, but many people are unaware of them. Students have financial crisis due to high costing courses and lack of knowledge of such educational schemes. This is the reason why many students do not pursue higher education or professional courses. By experience and from survey with students, we were sad to see the current scenario where students have no idea about the government and non-government programs which are available for educational purpose. And to prevent and promote new studies, we have started our innovative campaign, that is educational help, to spread awareness to students regarding various government and non-government organization schemes which are available for educational purpose.
During the internship, we request colleges to collaborate with us to conduct seminars, webinars with students so that we can explain the various schemes, eligibility criteria, how to apply, etc. Every aspects about schemes can reach to students so that we can achieve our vision of preventing students from losing out on opportunities in further education because of financial crisis. Thank you.
Be the change you wish to be. As we know that education is the major contributing factor to our nation's growth, and over the years there are many government schemes and scholarships have gone unutilized. So in this scenario, awareness is the key to success to help students to get better and higher education.
Youth on the Move is working dedicatedly towards society on various aspects for the people. Our internship has been filled with the insights on how NGO can go further and solve the problems and help society. Being there for individual or for whole demographics, Youth on the Move always take initiative to help them.
It was a great experience to work with the Youth on the Move NGO. During that, there are various projects which are there for the society, but we have selected the project for the education. On the first day of our internship, we actually met with the Rohit sir and his team, and we discussed regarding what we can do in the education. And after 1 hour of brainstorming, we came to our new campaign named as Edu Health. During our internship, we cover different. I have usually covered different colleges like HKIMSR, IES, and different colleges in the Western region, so that we can collaborate with that college to conduct the webinars regarding different schemes which are available for the student, which can benefit them for the further education.
During our internship, we didn't feel like we were interns. We were treated as a member of the organization itself. I personally went on the field to talk to colleges about collaborating with us and granting us permission to conduct various webinars and seminars related to our campaign of education. We at the back end did the research on various educational schemes which would benefit the students. We prepared a presentation and report on the eligibility criteria, the documents required, when to apply, and how to apply on those educational schemes. Journey with Youth on the Move Foundation, I have seen desire being converted into reality. It is a great privilege to be a part of Youth on the Move NGO. The work creates a great influence on society and changing minds of people for a brighter future of underprivileged children.
Youth on the Move NGO does an excellent job in service of humanity. It has good environment for working and serving people. During my internship, I visited to various colleges for our educational schemes like IDUDS College, Bright High School, Junior College, DAV College, Sriram College, etc. for coordination. And also from this college, we added 3 principal as an advisory board member. And definitely we will going to arrange webinar once college reopen.
I am very proud to work for NGO like YOTM. They are doing so much selflessly for the underprivileged and for the society. During my internship, we actually visited various colleges in Bhandup like IDUBS College, DAV College, Kasturi College. From there, we got the positive feedback for the association to conduct a webinar for our EduHealth campaign. Whichever college I had visited, everyone agreed for the webinar soon after the college reopened. Also, the college principal have accepted our invitation to be the part of the advisory board. I feel so much happy to be the part of the YOTAM NGO for such a great work. Thank you.
Not all the heroes wear caps. Some heroes work for NGO. And everyone who is working in the Youth on the Move NGO is not less than any superheroes. Here, in the Youth on the Move NGO, everyone works selflessly just the way superheroes work selflessly for the people. Throughout the internship, I got a unique experience. I got to learn so much about the government and non-government educational schemes which I was unaware of. I visited different colleges like D.Y. Patil University and Orient College of Pharmacy and coordinated with them to conduct webinars for our EduHealth campaign, and these colleges also became the member of our advisory committee.
I chose an offline internship because I wanted to explore more about the problems which our society faces and also want to help the people. Youth on the Move is doing fantastic job serving the people while working with them. I got in such a great opportunity and exposure to face the problems which are currently faced by the people. It is a great NGO to work with as its volunteers and staff are extremely more motivated for the serving people. While working with them, I visited various colleges like D.Y. Patil University, Oriental College of Pharmacy, and so on. I visited these colleges for our for the collaboration with our campaign, which is beneficial for the students. And also, D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy has also signed MOU for not only allowing us to conduct a campaign, but also for the different campaigns in future, which can be now easily done in that university.